Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lane's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tomato ohidashi. It is a tomato side dish marinated in soy sauce and dashi. This dish is light and refreshing, so it's perfect for warmer months. This recipe is also very easy to make, so let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. Any size of tomato can be used with this recipe, but I found cherry tomato to be the best size. Because it's small enough, the flavor of marinade will penetrate deep inside in a short amount of time. I have a separate video where I show you how to make different type of dashi, so check it out. The link will be in the description box below. To prepare the tomatoes, slit a small cross on the bottom of each tomato. Don't cut too deep. This will help you to peel off the tomato skin easily after blanching. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil. Blanch the tomatoes for 8 to 10 seconds to help the skin come off easily. Don't overboil because the tomatoes will start to disintegrate and that's not what you want. After 8 to 10 seconds, take the tomatoes out and immediately drop them into a bowl of ice water to cool off. While the tomatoes are cooling down, we can prepare the dashi mixture. In a glass container, pour in 1 1/4 cups of dashi, then add 2 tablespoons of light colored soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, sprinkle with some salt to taste, and mix everything together. When the tomatoes have cooled off, you can stop peeling the skin. The cherry tomatoes have the ideal size to absorb the dashi quickly and deeply inside. After peeling all the tomatoes, drop them in the dashi mixture and let them immerse overnight in the refrigerator. The longer the tomatoes immerse in the dashi, the stronger the flavor will be. You can store tomato ohidashi in the refrigerator for up to 3 or 4 days. To serve, transfer the tomatoes into a shallow bowl with some dashi marinade, top with some bonito flakes, or with green onion and white sesame seed if you don't like bonito flakes. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Enjoy your tomato ohidashi and see you next time!